Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on the fun train. Let's go.
As you can see, we're here in Solomon Square in Zante Town, and we're getting it from here, but you can easily get it from 𝐭𝐡𝐢𝐤𝐞, 𝐸𝐿𝐵, and 𝐸𝐵, as well as Lagunitas. So if you're in any of those resorts and you want to get the fun train from there, you can, and you can get it all the way to town. We're doing the 30-minute city tour, which starts, as you can see, from here at Solomon Square and takes us all the way around Zante Town. Tickets were €7 each. That's €14 for the two of us. Fast maths.
There are a number of different tours and routes that you can do. For the most updated times, you need to check a website. Now, the website that is currently up today on the 8th of May is not the current website, but we've just been speaking to the lady here, and she has assured us that in the next couple of weeks, the new website with the new timetable and the new route will be updated.
So for the best and most up-to-date times for anything to do with the fun train, Marina's number is in the description below. She's available to call, text, and also on WhatsApp.
So let's go on the fun train. Tickets in hand, we boarded the train. The train was departing at 11:15, and it was a 30-minute tour of Zante Town. Our driver was a guy called Jerry, and he was great. We were fully equipped with a speaker system of sorts. We were sat right at the back so we could hear every single word he was saying. The train wasn't busy, but it had quite a few people on. It was great fun. We snaked our way around all the different roads in Zante Town. We won't give too much away, but there was a lot of information about the history of the town, the architecture, the buildings, the churches.
We also found certain areas of this town that we'd not seen before, or we hadn't realised, say, the significance of certain buildings. So that was really great to experience and to find out as we meandered our way through Zante Town.
Jerry is a great tour guide, pointing out all different sites for us, giving us the history.
Jerry's also the train driver. He's literally multitasking, and I've got to say, he threads the needle with this thing. He's so good. If you've ever been to Zante Town, you know that the traffic can be quite busy, and although it's still only early May, these corners are not made for a fun train, but he just takes them in his stride, and he just, oh.
Do you know what I think happens though? I think a lot of locals in town know where the fun train goes. Usually there are some roads in Zante Town that you get to and you are with, even with the car, and you just like, no, because people have parked on the corner or they've double parked. But I do think a lot of the locals here know that the fun train takes that route, so they try and keep it as clear as possible.
I'd like to think that.
Yeah. We pass a lot of local little places, like some schools, bakeries, etc. And you see all like the style of the houses of people living in Zante Town, or the tiny little roads, the alleyways, the steps. The architecture is just beautiful. I would say if you haven't been to Zante before, or even if you have.
Or even if you have, yeah.
Like we've been living here for...
We're in our third year now.
Third year, and we learned some things from that tour.
By the way, if you're finding this video informative, even mildly entertaining, please give it a little like. It really helps out the channel, and also subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, all that kind of stuff. This isn't your first ever time on YouTube.
We have a number of social platforms that you can follow us on. We have an Instagram, we have a TikTok, and we also have a Facebook page. And we have recently created a Facebook group for subscribers of this YouTube channel only, so make sure you follow us on all of them. They are on screen now and can also be found in the description. For the month of May, we have a video on a Sunday at 6 p.m. UK time, and also of a Wednesday. That's right, we're giving you 2 a week for the month of May.
You're so lucky.
So just, yeah, we're putting it all out there for you guys. Zante Town is a beautiful place, it really is, and to learn the history and learn a little bit more about the culture and everything, it's half an hour and it's great fun. We had a ball, didn't we?
Yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. I've got to be honest, just when you were just saying that there, I did my best on there to kind of try and see it as a tourist, and it was such a fun trip. If you've seen it 100 times before, or this is the first time you've ever been to Zante or Zante Town, Yeah, it's a great half hour. I don't know if it's just because I love being on a noddy train.
Yeah, Adam's got a history of being on a noddy train. When he was a kid, he used to go on them all the time.
Pontins.
At Pontins, yeah. So we just want to talk now a little bit about the fun train as a whole. So the fun train, as Adam said before, departs from a lot of different places. Now, one great thing that they actually offer is they offer a trip to Zante Town. So these trips...
From the resorts as well?
Yes, they run from a morning to a certain point up until late, I would say late morning, but as I said before, for all the timings, please just contact the number on screen now.
And once the new website is live, it will be linked below.
The great thing about the fun train is it runs as almost like a taxi service, so you can actually use this to get to Zante Town. Whether you want to do the Zante Town tour or not, you can literally use the fun train as a way to get into town, to either do the tour around that Zante Town or just to explore town on your own. It runs in the morning and it drops you back off to coincide with the times of the quiet times in town. Zante Town, the shops shut between like 2 and 5 or 2 and 6 because it just gets really hot. So the fun train bases its times around those times. So it's a great way to just pop into town, have a little mooch around town, go shopping, have a coffee, have some lunch, have a brunch, or go on the train.
So as well as that effective shuttle back and forth from your resort, you could also use that to pop over to another resort should you wish to throughout the day and then come back and do that in reverse. But in addition to that, they also run 3 tours, one of which they were certain, because obviously all this is being changed. So again, check in the link below, but one of which is an olive oil and ceramics tour, and that's over in Lithaki. We've actually been on a tour to that olive oil processing factory.
It's where we actually get our oil from as well. We actually go during the winter.
Got a big metal drum and we just go back and get it filled.
The olive oil makes up such a huge percentage of the income here.
Yeah.
So it's well worth to go and see that and just learn a little bit about the history. They do 2 other tours as well. They used to do a boat trip tour, and I think the other tour is maybe the Zante City tour, but I'm not too sure.
But what they're also running, both from Zante Town and also from your resorts right now, is a tour up to the main viewpoint overlooking Zante Town and the port, which is up at 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤. And it's just stunning. Marina was saying it's really lovely up in the evening. Yeah, we've got some beautiful footage from up there in the evenings as well. So whether you're thinking of actually getting up there for the daytime or the evening, there are places up there, coffee places, bars, restaurants up there as well. It's
a Venetian castle as well,
there
actually.
There is a Venetian castle. We haven't been there yet.
No, so I think we're going to do that. As well as the castle, there's a beautiful church there. We've actually filmed a wedding inside that church.
Yeah, all in all, the fun train is a great opportunity to see all the way around Zante Town, and depending on what tour you do, all the way around the whole of Zante. Thanks very much for watching.
And it's fun.
It's fun. It is fun. You don't even need to bring the fun. The fun's already there.
Yeah, it's there. Jerry brings the fun.
Jerry brings the fun. He brings the whole, all the fun. Right, that's all we've got for you. Is that it?
That's it.
Say goodbye, Emma.
Bye, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.
See you.